Today, we're diving into Clause 6 of ISO 13485, which is all about resource management. Whether you're in the medical device industry or simply interested in quality management systems, this clause is fundamental to ensuring the smooth operation and success of any organization. So, let's explore what this clause entails. 6.1 Provision of resources. ISO 13485 emphasizes the importance of ensuring that all necessary resources are identified, provided, and maintained to support the quality management system, QMS. This includes financial resources, human resources, infrastructure, and any other resources required to produce safe and effective medical devices. Budgeting. Organizations need to allocate appropriate financial resources to support the implementation and maintenance of the QMS. This involves budgeting for activities such as training, equipment maintenance, and compliance activities. Procurement. The standard requires organizations to establish processes for the procurement of materials, components, and services used in the production of medical devices. This includes evaluating suppliers, establishing purchasing criteria, and maintaining records of supplier evaluations. Staffing strategies. Organizations must ensure they have an adequate number of qualified personnel to support the QMS. This involves defining roles and responsibilities, recruiting and training personnel, and implementing strategies to ensure staff competency. 6.2 Human resources. Managing human resources effectively is crucial for ensuring the quality and safety of medical devices. ISO 13485 outlines several requirements related to human resources management. Competence. Organizations must ensure that personnel performing activities affecting product quality are competent based on education, training, skills, and experience. This involves identifying necessary competencies, providing training and development opportunities, and maintaining records of personnel qualifications. Training. Employees must receive appropriate training to perform their assigned tasks effectively and in compliance with the QMS. Training programs should be documented, implemented, and periodically reviewed for effectiveness. Performance management. Organizations should establish processes for evaluating employee performance and providing feedback to support continuous improvement. This may include performance appraisals, goal setting, and corrective actions as necessary. 6.3 Infrastructure. Infrastructure refers to the physical and technological resources needed to support the production of medical devices. ISO 13485 includes requirements related to infrastructure management, including facilities. Organizations must ensure that facilities are suitable for their intended purpose and capable of supporting the production of safe and effective medical devices. This includes requirements for cleanliness, maintenance, and environmental controls. Equipment. Equipment used in the production of medical devices must be properly maintained, calibrated, and validated to ensure accuracy and reliability. Organizations should establish procedures for equipment maintenance, calibration, and validation, and maintain records of these activities. Software. If software is used in the production or quality management processes, organizations must ensure that it is validated for its intended use and maintained in accordance with regulatory requirements. This includes documenting software requirements, testing procedures, and version control. 6.4 Work environment and contamination control. Maintaining a safe and clean work environment is essential for preventing contamination and ensuring the quality of medical devices. ISO 13485 includes requirements related to work environment and contamination control, including 6.4.1 Work environment. Organizations must establish and maintain a work environment that is conducive to the production of safe and effective medical devices. This includes factors such as lighting, temperature, humidity, and cleanliness. Ergonomics. Organizations should consider ergonomic principles when designing workspaces to minimize the risk of musculoskeletal injuries and promote employee comfort and productivity. Noise control. Measures should be implemented to control noise levels in the work environment to prevent hearing loss and other adverse health effects. 6.4.2 Contamination Control. Organizations must implement measures to prevent contamination of medical devices during production, handling, storage, and distribution. This includes implementing procedures for cleanliness, hygiene, and contamination control in accordance with regulatory requirements. Cleanroom facilities. If necessary, organizations should establish cleanroom facilities to control airborne particles, microorganisms, and other contaminants. Cleanroom design and operation should comply with relevant standards and guidelines to ensure the integrity of the production environment. By adhering to the requirements outlined in ISO 13485, organizations can effectively manage their resources and create a work environment that supports the production of safe and effective medical devices.